Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically import IndiaMart inquiries to Microsoft Excel. So let's suppose I'm a company that sells industrial products on IndiaMart and I'm receiving many inquiries. Now I want whenever customer puts an inquiry, it should be automatically added in Microsoft Excel. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMart and Microsoft Excel. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take IndiaMart, where I will receive the new inquiry. And in my action application, I will take Microsoft Excel, where I will add these query automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to import IndiaMart leads to Microsoft Excel. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMart and Microsoft Excel with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create your own folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now I need to enter my workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to import IndiaMart inquiries to Microsoft Excel. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select IndiaMart and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to import IndiaMart inquiries to Microsoft Excel, which means whenever I will receive inquiries from IndiaMart, it will be added to my Microsoft Excel, which means whenever I will receive inquiry from IndiaMart, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take my trigger application as IndiaMart. And then my trigger event as new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, for which a webhook URL is provided to me and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMart account. So this is my IndiaMart dashboard and on the left hand side I can see all the options. Here I need to click on this third option, lead manager. And then over here I can see these three dots. I have to click on this and then click on this import export leads and then click on push API. So now I need to select my source and the CRM platform name. So from over here I want to select this as other. If you want to select any other source, you can select from this drop down. So now I need to enter my CRM platform name and then the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So first I will enter my CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect, and then the webhook listener URL. So I'll go back to Pabbly and from over here copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I need to click on the save details and I have to select one option among all these. I just want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. You can select any other according to your choice. Now I simply have to click on this click to generate OTP and now I have to enter the OTP which I have received on my number. So I have entered the OTP and I'll simply click on the submit. And over here we can see we have added the webhook URL which we were provided in our Pabbly Connect. So now to test this, we have to go back to Pabbly and over here we can see waiting for the webhook response and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do the submission. so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to send some test data from IndiaMart. So let's go back to IndiaMart, and from over here we can see this test your webhook listener URLs. So let's click on this, and we can see a test data over here, which will help us check whether our connection of IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect is successful or not. So as I will click on this test, I will receive the test data by IndiaMart in my Pabbly Connect. But by making this connection in the same way, you will receive all your live inquiries in Pabbly Connect. Now I simply have to click on this test, and over here I can see I have received the response. Now I need to go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received this response there or not. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see I have received the response as soon as I have clicked on the test button in IndiaMart. So over here my status is success. The response here I can see is requirement for empty mineral water bottle, state is UP, phone number alternate phone number, name is Prabhat, mobile number, company name, city, address, query message, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me price and other details. So we can see we have received all the details. So this means Pabbly Connect is connected with IndiaMart, and now I have to move to my next step, which is action step. So I want to import all these queries which I have received from IndiaMart to my Microsoft Excel. So here my action application will be Microsoft Excel, and then my action event will be add row to worksheet. Now click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. If you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Microsoft Excel. Here I have already logged in my Microsoft Excel, and I just need to grant away some permission, for which I need to click on this accept because my data is saved with Pabbly Connect. And over here authorization successful. So Microsoft Excel is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is workbook name. So to enter this, let me take you to my Microsoft Excel. Over here, this is my workbook by the name IndiaMart Query 1. And I have maintained this workbook which has name, phone, email and query. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and from over here I need to select my workbook. So from this drop down given over here, I can see my workbook which was IndiaMart Query 1. So I will select this. And here I can see it has automatically detected the worksheet and all the fields that I have in my worksheet. So there I had name, phone, email and query. So now I have to enter all these details, and to enter this I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from IndiaMart, so I will simply click on this and map my name as Prabhat, then my phone number as this one, then my email address as, and now my query is I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me price and other details. But over here I can see these BR tags, and I do not want these tags in my worksheet. So I want to remove this. And to remove this, I have to add one more action step, for which we need to click on this plus action step button and choose our action application as text formatter. And then my action event as text basic formatting. Click on connect. Now over here I need to enter the text that I have to format. So my string over here will be query, and in the transform field I need to select the remove HTML tags. And now I simply have to click on this save and send test request. And over here I can see I have received the response. Here the BR tags have been removed. So let's go back to Microsoft Excel, and over here I will remove this and map my query from text formatter that I have received in my response. So over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static, and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time you receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response. Now I need to open my Excel and check whether I have added this data there or not. And here I can see I have successfully added the data. The name is Prabhat, the phone number is this, email address is this, and the query is I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle. Kindly send me price and other details. So to summarize, we took IndiaMart as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. Then we sent a test data from IndiaMart and received the response in my Pabbly Connect, after which we took our action application as Microsoft Excel where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all the details with the help of mapping. To remove the BR tags, we use this action step text formatter and choose our action event as text basic formatting. We received the response over here without the BR tags, and then we map this response in my action step in Microsoft Excel. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMart and Microsoft Excel with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.